Hello guys, this is Engineer Mbole and I would like to welcome you to week 1 of Computer Basics, and today we will be looking at the Windows environment. When you hear Windows, what comes into your mind? Microsoft Windows is an operating system. And what is an operating system? An operating system is a set of instructions that manages the operation of the computer and acts as an interface between the computer and the user. An operating system is like a translator. By now you would have known that the computer basically understands ones and zeros. So how come you're able to use the computer in French and English, in Latin, in Lamso, and many other languages, Bali and all? What happens is that the operating system helps to translate from the human language to the machine language or to a low-level language. So Windows is a multitasking operating environment with a standardized interface for all applications. Windows is an operating system that can run more than one program at a time, in short. So today we will be looking at the Windows environment. Let us begin. Now, when your computer boots, you have what you call the desktop. The desktop is this background with all of these icons. The desktop is this background with all of these icons when your computer finishes booting. What is an icon? An icon, what you see here, these are icons. An icon is a picture of a program. Icons are pictorial representations of programs on the desktop. When you see Cyberlink, you see the picture of a camera in it. When you see AutoCAD, you see the picture of the A picture. When you see Kindle, you see somebody standing up there and trying to read a book. So these are all icons on the desktop. An icon is a picture of a program on the desktop. Now, to the bottom of the desktop, to the left here, you will see that there is the Start button. The Start button displays a list of programs from which you can select. With the Windows 10, when you click on Start, you can type a lot of programs like Word. It will simply appear. If you type Excel, in the quick search, if you type Access, if you type PowerPoint, all of those programs will pop up. Now, to the right of the taskbar, you have the clock. It shows the time of the computer. To the right of the taskbar, you have the clock. Now, it's possible to have some icons lying down here at the taskbar. I'm just going to go ahead and load one of the icons, which will be a browser. We already saw this in our earlier classes. This is Chrome. Now, every time you open a browser or it opens in a window, if you load Microsoft Word, it will load in a window. A window is an on-screen frame through which programs are viewed. So this is the Google Chrome window. Now, to the top of the window, the top right corner of the window, you have what you call the window controls. These are all window controls. You have the minimize button. When you click on the minimize button, the window is minimized to an icon on the taskbar. When you click minimize, it comes to the taskbar here. And then you have the maximize. When you maximize the window, it enlarges the entire window. And once a window has been maximized, you have a restore button that appears. So the restore button only appears when a window has been maximized. And then you also have the close button. The close button basically exits the window. So these window controls are the same. all of these window controls are the same, whether you are in the Microsoft window, you're in the Excel window, you're in PowerPoint. All of these windows are going to be the same, and all of these window controls are going to function basically the same. So I'm going to go ahead and load Microsoft Word. You see Microsoft Word opens with the same window controls. You will have them over here. You still have you have the minimize, the maximize, and the close. If I maximize, then the restore button appears here. These are window controls, and when a window opens, you have a task bar. You have the title bar, sorry. The title bar shows the name of the program that is currently running. So that is the title bar. Thank you very much for being part of this class. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the comment section. We are going to see more and more definitions. You have stuff like the recycle bin. When files are deleted, they go into the recycle bin. If I select one of these icons here and I press, if I right click and then I take delete, it's going to send them to the recycle bin. And I can then open the recycle bin here to see the file. So that is the recycle bin, and you have the Windows Explorer. We will look at more of this later in the future. So this is an introduction to basic window controls, getting to know the Windows environment. To know the version of Windows, you click on Start, you type Run. You select Run from the dialog box. You can also use the shortcut key Windows key R and type WinVer. It shows a version of Windows that you are running. Yes, so thank you very much, and feel free to reveal your questions.